Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and today I'm going to tell you a very simple solution of how to manage this Ralfstuckert error which comes up in the pom.xml file. So I have a project open which has that same error. See, missing artifact com.github Ralfstuckert PDF box layout 1.0.0. What generally we do, what I have already told you, is you generally go to your C drive, you go to your users, you go to your profile, you go to .m2, you go to repository, you go to com folder, then you go to your GitHub folder, and then you go to your Ralfstuckert folder, PDF box layout, tool layout, and then you have a 1.0.1.jar in this situation. The thing is, this particular thing of mine is showing 1.0.0 jar error. It's not showing 1.0.1. What I did was, by mistake, I deleted the 1.0.0 jar file. So I'm left with 1.0.1 jar, which is not working. So how do I still make this thing work? So this whole workaround of traversing so much, this particular path can be completely eliminated. We don't need this path anymore. So this whole path, we don't need anymore. We don't need to traverse so much. Actually, this thing can totally be avoided now. You can avoid this whole thing. You don't need to download that jar file going into a certain link. Why? Because you can get a very simple Maven dependency which I have found online, and I'm going to tell you that. So what you have to do is, these are the two dependencies. You have to add a repositories tag. Okay, you have to add a repositories tag and just paste it under the properties tag. Save it, add it and save it. Then in the dependencies tag, you have to add one tag, one dependency rather. So the repositories dependency you have already added. You have to add this dependency. That's it. Save it. Once you save it, this error will go. So the version can be directly handled from here. You need not follow that whole path and procedure to go. So you can either give it 1.0.1 or 1.0.0. It will still work. Then go ahead, go to Maven, right click on the project, go to Maven, update project, and force update and click on OK. So it will update the Maven project and it should work absolutely fine. The error will go away. As simple as that. I'll do again for run the project. Okay. So this project of mine, I'll open the pom.xml. At first, I'll update the project. You'll see that error will still remain. The error will not go away. I've updated the project, the pom.xml. I'll update again. See, the error is still there. You can see layout jar 1.0.0. So I want to eliminate this. So this is a repositories dependency which you need to add this particular tag over here. Copy it, and just under your properties, above the dependencies, add this one, save it, then add this dependency. PDF box 2 minus layout, add this dependency. You can take a screenshot of this, but you have to add it under the dependencies section. Please be very careful with the tags. XML is not a very forgiving concept. So if you miss your tags here and there, this will not work. See, now the error is gone. You simply go ahead and go to your Maven, right click on the project, go to Maven, update project. That's it. It should be fine. So the errors will go away. As simple as that. You don't have to do a lot of unnecessary business by traversing this much. Yes, initially this is also a procedure, but then accidentally the way I deleted the 1.0.0 jar file, I just deleted it. I'm not able to find it back because that jar file is gone. And I'm only able to find 1.0.1 jar, but somehow that thing is not working. Maybe I'll have to choose a different kind of a Maven artifact, which I don't want to do. It's unnecessary extra headache. So I have found a solution. Solution is simple. Solution is easy. Add one dependency, which is a repository. Okay, just under the properties tag, and then add a dependency under the dependencies tag. That's it. And you can make it 0.0, you can make it 0.1.1. It works absolutely like a charm. So that's it. Hopefully this small video was, if somebody might not be able to do using this whole traversing thing, then this much is enough. I'll expand this. You can take a screenshot. If you're not able to find online, I'll keep the video on hold for a couple of seconds. So please copy this and paste it in the pom.xml wherever I told you. Hopefully this is enough. Thank you for supporting me so much. Please do subscribe to my channel and keep sharing. Thank you so much. Sathik is signing off.